Good morning. My house is 74 degrees, so I'm not heating up my coffee. I'm just going to drink it as is from the refrigerator. And I'm going to add in I'm going to drink some water. It's 7 o'clock, so it's too early to really eat right now. I'm not hungry. So that's what I'm going to do. Just my morning coffee. I'm about to make some electrolytes. We all know this is going to be water weight, but I don't care. By the way, that's my arms on the screen because I'm covering my girls. Anyway, we all know that it's going to be water weight. However, I am still curious, so let's see. Well, not bad. That's actually about what it was yesterday morning when I left the house. Although I did get up and pee about 5 or 6 times last night. So, okay, well now we know. Again, that's an arm, not a boob. Breakfast this morning is one of my egg muffins that I made yesterday. It's going to be yummy. Hello. So, lunch. Got my 73% ground beef. I need to pour the grease out into something. Hang on. So I was pouring the grease into the dog gravy, but weird thing, when you microwave it, the grease will pop and splatter, and I have had to clean my microwave like 2 or 3 times this week. It doesn't do it with just the broth, but with all that extra fat, it does it. So I'm going to have to just put the extra grease in here, and then I'll just house that in the refrigerator, and then I'll toss it out with the garbage. So no big deal. It can harden up in the refrigerator. So this has a salsa in it. So it says 73% ground beef with some salsa. I'm about to go visit a friend here in a minute, and so I'm hungry, and so I want to make sure I have food on board in case, she has her Thanksgiving leftovers, and I don't want to be tempted or anything. I'm going to add a little bit of umami to it. And let's see if that's enough or if I need salt. But anyway, so I know she had hosted Thanksgiving at her house yesterday for some friends and family. So I want to go visit her. But like I said, if she's like, oh, hey, I've got this or I've got that, I don't want to be tempted. So I want to be full. That's good. Now, my lunch, I'm going to have some cabbage. Let's see how much cabbage this holds. Okay, so 116 grams of cabbage. And then I'll zero it out. This is a mixture of poppy seed, Skinny Girl, and Walden Farm, I think honey mustard. So I'm going to put, I don't know, maybe 45 grams of that in here. But then I'm also going to add, for a little kick, some of this Buffalo Ranch salad dressing, Walden Farms. Just enough to make it like a half of a serving. And I don't know. Then I'm going to add some. Where's my sesame seeds? Here we go. I'll add a few sesame seeds. And that's going to be my lunch today. And I'll holler at supper time. Hey there. It is supper time. And I have some jicama and some ground beef. I was on the phone with my mom, so I went ahead and strained out the ground beef. I poured it in that Ziploc bag that I have going. And I set out my seasonings while I was talking. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. I'm going to put in some of my freeze-dried garlic. I'm going to put in some ground ginger. Let's see if I can make this a little bit better. Hang on. There we go. Some ground ginger. Tell you what, all my Christian stations are playing Christmas music today. I thought that was kind of funny. Got some chili powder. Got some smoked paprika. I was at my friend's house helping her. Her mother-in-law passed away, and found these pajama bottoms. I'm like, oh, they're perfect. They say, hang on, let me show you. It's Hershey Kisses, which is hilarious because, you know, I don't eat sugar, but it's still, I'm like, oh, I need those in my life because y'all been complaining and saying that all my pajamas are too big. So, well, and also I'm planning on going to the thrift store and looking for some pajama bottoms. Oh, that was turmeric. I'm going to put a little cumin in here. I'm going to put a little garam masala. Hey Alexa, volume down 1. And then some ground coriander. A little bit curry. I'm going I don't know if you call it Indian. I don't know if that's the proper term. Indian style. I don't know. No, I'm not putting cilantro in there. All right, so that is what I'm putting on that. Let me stir it all up. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Look how colored that is. Like the red, it's so rich. It's got red and orange and brown and just, I'm going to microwave it a little bit longer. And while that's microwaving, let's check out the jicama. Sliced jicama, roasted jicama. It's good. I like it. I enjoy roasted and sliced or you know, the pan fried and the roasted jicama. I enjoy that, but that's good. But that that pureed, nope. That is just nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. So, I will not recommend mashed jicama to nobody. But, roasted jicama? Heck yeah. Oh, poop. I was going to go to Walmart while I was out and about and get another bag of turnips and try it with the skin on, but, that's alright. We'll try it. We'll try it later. This is only day 2 of me being home. So, today's Friday, so I still have Saturday and Sunday. I may decide to run out and get some 5 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Who knows? But yeah, so this is going to be my supper. I'm going to wipe it off. You may see me do this a lot. Because of the rendered fat and stuff, I pour it off, and sometimes as it's cooking, it splatters up here, and I like to hold it like this. I like to hold it with my thumb on it. I don't like my thumb to get all goopy. So, and usually I do this, but to be quite honest, I'm going to show you what I really do. This is what I do at work, but I definitely duck my head behind the monitor at work, but this is what I usually do. I go, and then, so this tells you what kind of a problem I have. But then that way, if I stick my finger up here, there's not any kind of wetness up there. So yeah, that's really what I do. That's me. That's a quirk I have. So all right, that's my supper: jicama and ground beef. And I really am excited. These pajama pants, they fit. So yay! Okay, bye. See you later. Don't forget to be logging. Here's my log, guys. Get back to logging starting today. So we got to get on it. We got to know where we are and what we're doing. So finish out this next few days logging. Bye.